Hey, what's up, chill fam, and welcome to my channel again. My name is Calvin. So today I'm going to give you guys a tour on my brand new Tesla Model Y 2026 Juniper. Now I chose the color red obviously because I like the color red, and mainly my wife is the one that makes the decision on the color scheme. So she likes red, and so we got the red. Now I'm gonna take you guys inside the car. So one thing you notice when you get inside a Tesla vehicle car is that you'll notice the center console screen is pretty big. It's about 15.4-inch viewable, and pretty much you can do almost anything on the touch screen. It's pretty much the brain, or I would say the heartbeat of the car, because without it the car is rendered useless. So all the control functions are all done on this touchscreen area. Since my channel is called Life in Chill Mode, I'm gonna go ahead and set it to chill mode, guys. There you go. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, like, and also comment down below. This will help me out a lot to bring in the next content to you guys. So this is the view from the front, and as you can see that we have a glass panoramic roof from the front all the way to the back. So it's good to have it, especially if you drive at night and you can see the night sky or stars. So I'll take you to the back seat. Alright, so it shows this interior inside, all black. There's a lot of leg rooms inside. Even though if you're 6 foot, you still have ample space to relax your feet when you're in the back seat. And then on the front passenger back seat, you can go ahead and put some documents in there, or brochure, or whatever you like. And there's also one on the driver's side on the back as well too. And of course there's a AC control system on the back, where the people who are sitting on the back, they can go ahead and press the screen and the AC will come on, and you can adjust the blowing fan direction with a swipe of your finger. So I think that's pretty cool and pretty neat feature that they have. And there's also a charging port, 2 charging ports, that if your batteries are running low on your phone, you can go ahead and juice it up right there. And if you have children sitting on the back and they get bored, they can go ahead and press the game console, and they can go ahead and play this game that comes presets. Or if they can choose to watch a movie or Netflix or YouTube, they can go ahead and press the entertainment system. And as you can see, there's Netflix right here, and swipe it down to select YouTube. There you go. So I think it's great to have the console screen on the back to keep the back seat entertained. So the cool thing about this Model Y Juniper is that you can actually bring the back seat down or bring it back up with a touch of this button right here on the side. There you go. You see, it's automatically going down. You can press stop at any time, bring it back up. And also this side as well too. Stop, bring it back up. There you go. It just makes it more convenient, so you don't have to actually go to the front and then adjust it manually with your hand. This is inside the trunk. As you can see, there's ample space inside. There's also a sub-storage space where you can put a mini fridge and also a suitcase. Also, there's like a mini compartment where you can like hide your stuff inside, you know, just anything that you want to put in there. There's also a side pocket here, or side storage, where you can put some small item here, like you know, when you do your grocery, you know, like a bag of fruits or vegetable, or just anything you like. There's also one on this side as well, you know, a small compartment on the side. So I'm inside the car, and I'm gonna show you guys how to open the front, which is the front of the car. So you just go ahead and push the open front right here, where it's an open front on the control panel. So we're going ahead and press it. There you go. See the front, which is the hood, opens up. Open. So there's no engine. The storage space is pretty big. You can see that there's a drain pipe right here. So let's say you want to put a bucket of ice in here and keep your drinks cool. And when the ice melts, you can go ahead and undrain the plug and let the water flow down. So it's just easy to clean. So there's something I like about Tesla is that it has multiple profile settings. So let's say you and your wife drives the same car, and you or your wife gets into the driver's side. The car will automatically decide which profile to set to. It'll recognize who's in the driver's seat, and it'll set the seating, the mirrors, and the power steering wheel accordingly to how the profile was set to. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below. In the meantime, stay chill, and I'll see you on the next ride.